In this video, we will go over the planning map, which helps us organize our approach to working with this account. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Account Optimizer dashboard. Search for the module and click on the name to open it up. Let's create something new we need to do. My type is a priority for this example, and it's in progress. For the stakeholder, I know his name and the first letter of his last name. I'll type what I know and then click on the search icon to the far right to search across the entire organization. I'll do the same for the related parent plan. For the description, I'll go into a bit more detail about my plan, and then hit the Save button. Now that I have the item showing up, I will expand the time frame to show the previous year. That way we can illustrate how the map gives us a fuller picture of what we plan to do. Another thing that's useful is to click on the icon to the left side of each item. This filters and shows all related action items and gives us a clearer view of our overall plan. As you can see, you can filter by type, and by progress as well. Finally, if we scroll down, we have a list view of all of our items. In here, you can sort the order it's displayed in by clicking on each column name or header. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.